Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel Programming Tuts. In this video we will continue from part 1 video of addressables. Before we dive into code, please subscribe the channel and give a like to this video. In this video we will continue from our previous addressable video. If you had not watched the part 1 video, please watch and see this video. In this video we will download the asset first, and then load the asset, and we will release the downloaded asset. Create 3 button variables. 1 for download, 2nd for load, 3rd for unload. Because when downloading the asset we can disable the other buttons. After download finished we can enable the other button. In start function, make download button interactable to true. Make load and unload button interactable to false. Create a download function. In that function make the download button interactable to false. And download the asset. For downloading the asset we use object to load variable .load asset async. Still we want to know when the download will be completed. For that we create a event object download complete. In the download complete event, check download is succeeded or not. If download is success, then make the load button interactable to true. Switch back to Unity. Add onClick event to the download button. Now make a build. Open the application and Task Manager to see memory. Click on download button. You can see the download button will be not interactable. Memory also get increasing because it is downloading the asset. After download is complete, load button will be interactable. Now we downloaded the asset. We can use them whenever we want. Now if user has no internet connection also it will not be a problem. It will be in the application. Now if we click on load button, it will instantiate the asset. Memory increases same as in previous video to 154. Please like this video. If you have doubts you can ask in comment section. If you have not subscribed the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, coders.